Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing about the lesson factors and multiples. We have already completed the worksheet 1. Now coming to the next topic, test of divisibility. So we will see the divisibility test. First, divisibility by 2. So which all numbers are divisible by 2? इसके लिए divisibility test for 2. Divisibility by 2. If the digit at ones place is divisible by 2, then the number is divisible by 2. So if it is a very big number, so no need of going on dividing and seeing whether the number is divisible by 2 or not. So just see the number at the ones place. What is the digit at ones place? See whether that digit, that number is divisible by 2. That's all. Now 368, 368. 8 is in the ones place. See whether 8 is divisible by 2. Yes. 2 4s are 8. Divisible means exactly divisible. Okay. So that the remainder is 0. So yes. That is why 368 is divisible by 2. Now the number 43. In the ones place it is 3. 3 is not divisible by 2 exactly. That is why 43 is not divisible by 2. So that divisibility test for 2 is just see the digit at ones place. See whether that digit is divisible by 2 or not. Then if it is divisible, then the whole number is divisible by 2. अदरवाइज नॉट. समझ में आया? तो डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर 2 के लिए सिर्फ द लास्ट डिजिट देखने का और वो डिजिट 2 से डिवाइड होता है या नहीं. देखो अगर वो एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल है तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. एंड वन मोर थिंग, रिमेंबर all even numbers are divisible by 2. Isn't it? Already you know this. Now the divisibility by 4. For 4, what is the rule? If the number formed by the digits at tens and ones place is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. Means you have to see the last 2 digits. Tens and ones मतलब last 2 digits, isn't it? So last 2 digits से जो नंबर बना उसको देखो 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. तो the whole number is divisible by 4. See now it is a very big number, 694,184. So for that last 2 digit, what is it? 84. देखो 84 4 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. So 84 divide by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Exactly divisible. So that is why this number is divisible by 4. So for 2 last 1 digit, for 4 last 2 digits. Now see, in this number 31 is the number, isn't it? Last 2 digits से जो number बना that is 31. अभी 31, is it divisible by 4? No. 4 7s are 28. 29 30 31. 3 remain. Isn't it? So it is not exactly divisible नहीं है. So it is the number is not divisible by 4. 3 बचता है तो इसके लिए वो नहीं है. ठीक है? It should be exactly divisible. तो लॉन्ग डिवीजन करेंगे तो भी रिमाइंडर 3 बचा. दिस इज द रिमाइंडर. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 8. सेम टाइप है, तीनों का मेथड सेम है, सिर्फ थोड़ा डिफरेंस है. 2 के लिए लास्ट 1 डिजिट, 4 के लिए लास्ट 2 डिजिट, 8 के लिए लास्ट 3 डिजिट. If the number formed by its digits at hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8, then the number is divisible by 8. So, underline the last 3 digits. So, 880 upon 8. इधर 2 से, इधर 4 से, इधर 8 से डिवाइड कर. So, 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8 and 0. Exactly divisible? Yes. This number 35,880 is divisible by 8. Now 857. अभी 857 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 5 से नहीं जाता है, इसके लिए 0, छोटा है ना तो 0. अभी 57 लेंगे तो 8 sevens are 56, but 1 बचा, 1 is the remainder. So this is not exactly divisible. इसके लिए the whole number is not divisible by 8. Hope you understood. So this is the divisibility test for 2, 4 and 8. For 2, see the last 1 digit, it should be divisible by 2. For 4, the last 2 digits, the number formed by the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. For 8, the number formed by the last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. Okay, that was the divisibility test by 2, 4 and 8. Now coming to 5. Already you know, by seeing the tables, multiplication table of 5, all the numbers ending with the 0 and 5. So if the number has 0, all 5 at one's place, then the number is divisible by 5. So number is ending with 0, yes, it is divisible by 5. 5, yes, it is divisible by 5. 3, no, it is not divisible by 5. बहुत इजी. अभी 10 और भी इजी है. इफ द नंबर हैज 0 एट इट्स ones place, so number should end with 0, then it is divisible by 10. So ending with 0, it is divisible by 10. Ending with 7, not divisible by 10. Now the number of zeros, the number is ending with how many zeros, उसके हिसाब से भी हम बोल सकते हैं. If the number ends with 1 0, it is divisible by 2. If the number is ending with 2 zeros, then it is divisible by 4. If the number ends with 3 zeros, then it is divisible by 8. So कोई भी number 2 से divide होने के लिए it has to be ending with 1 0. 4 के लिए 2 zeros है चाहिए ही, ending with 2 zeros. For 8 के लिए it should have last 3 zeros, then only it is divisible by 8. It is depending upon the number of zeros. Okay, so if the number is ending with how many zeros, दूसरा वो ऑलरेडी हम बताएं, तो ये zeros के हिसाब से. Now a number should be divisible by 2, 4, 8. It should be an even number. Yes or no? So आप लोग टेबल्स देखो, हर एक इवन नंबर के टेबल में सब मल्टीपल्स इवन नंबर ही है. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2, 4, 8. So you know, even numbers are the numbers ending with 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. And odd numbers are the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. ये आप लोग छोटे क्लास में पढ़े हैं, उसको फिर से याद दिला रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द वर्कशीट 2. Look at the following numbers and fill in the blanks. So first question में सिर्फ fill in the blanks है. तो numbers that are divisible by 2. तो इधर मेथड दिखाने का नहीं है, बट स्ट्रेट अवे आंसर लिखते जाने का है. सो फर्स्ट द नंबर्स डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 के लिए इट शुड बी एन इवन नंबर. इधर 5 नॉट पॉसिबल. 2 yes, 2 ones are 2. So first answer it is a 6552. Next, it is ending with 8. It is also 8. 2 4s are. It is even, that is why it is divisible by 2. Ending with 0. Yes, 3870. Here it is 1, not possible. 3, not possible. Now the next question, it is the numbers that are divisible by 5. 5 के लिए क्या है रूल? द नंबर शुड एंड विद 5 and 0. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. दिस इज यस. 9765. एंडिंग विद 0, 1000. एंडिंग विद 2, नो. एंडिंग विद 5, यस. 28775. Now coming to the numbers that are divisible by 10. 10 के लिए रूल, नंबर शुड एंड विथ 0. यस. हियर ऑल्सो एंडिंग विथ 0. यस. नंबर इज एंडिंग विथ 7. नो. एंडिंग विथ 4. नो. एंडिंग विथ 0. यस. Hope everyone is understanding. Easy ones, isn't it? Now for 4 we have to see the last 2 digits, isn't it? सबको ये समझ में आया? फर्स्ट 3. 2 के लिए it should be a even. 5 के लिए ending with 5 and 0. For 10 number should end with 0. अभी 4 के लिए लास्ट 2 digits, the number formed by the last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. अभी 24. 4 6 are 24. So yes. Now 0 2. 2 is not divisible by 4, isn't it? 0 7. 7 is not divisible by 4. 72. Yes. 72 by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 6 7. 3 remains. 3 and 2 32. 4 8s are 32. So yes. 3 6 5 7 2. Understood? So 3 6 5 7 2. 2 numbers are divisible by 4. Now question number E. For 8 we have to see the last 3 digits. 9 8 4 upon 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 remains. 8 twos are 16. 17 18. 2 remains. 8 threes are 24. Yes. So first number 7 8 9 9 8 4 divisible by 8. अभी इधर 8 3 2. So 8 3 2 divide by 8. समझ में आ रहा है ना? ऐसे डिवाइड करके देखने का, नहीं तो लॉन्ग डिविजन. So 8 ones are 8. 8 how much are 3? Not possible. 0. So 3 remains. 8 4s are 32. So 3 5. So 3 6 5 8 3 2. Now 0 9 8. 0 9 8. 8 ones are 8, 1 remains, 8 twos are 16, 17, 18, 19, 16, 17, 18, 2 बचा, तो not possible. 29, it is a odd number, so odd number कभी भी 8 में नहीं होगा, so only 2 numbers are divisible by 8. Okay. Now in the next sum, second sum, they have told apply the divisibility rule and show that. Here you have to tell why. Okay, reasoning also should be there. So it is divisible by 2. For 2 last 1 digit, so you have to write it has 6 in its ones place. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. It means the number. Okay. Now for 5, underline 5. It has 5 in its ones place. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. So, reason you have to tell why you say it is divisible. Now, 10 के लिए it has 0 in its ones place. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. Okay. Now 4. For 4, what we have to see? Last 2 digits. So it has 96 in tens and ones place. It has 96 in tens and ones place. Now you see 96 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. 1 bring 6 down. 4 fours are 16. You got 0. So 96 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 3496 is divisible by 4. Now for 8, last 3 digits, isn't it? It has 904 in hundreds, tens and ones place. Now check 904 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 remains, bring 0 down. 8 ones are 8. 2 remains, bring 4 down. 8 threes are 24. 0 is the remainder. So 904 is exactly divisible by 8. Therefore, 117904 is divisible by 8. Correct? Now again divisible by 4. The number is ending with 0. So वो वाला रूल यूज करने का है. So the number is ending with the 2 zeros. Therefore 784300 is divisible by 4. देखो मिनिमम 2 zeros चाहिए. ठीक है. सो 2 के लिए मिनिमम 1 0, 4 के लिए मिनिमम 2 0, 8 के लिए मिनिमम 3 0. सो the number is ending with the 3 zeros. Therefore 694000 is divisible by 8. Okay. Now it is divisible by 2. 2 के लिए last one digit. So the number has 8 in its ones place. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore 35088 is divisible by 2. Okay. So we have completed the worksheet 2. Divisibility test by 2, 4, 8, 5 and 10. Hope everyone understood the divisibility test of these numbers. Bye. Thank you for watching the video.